sir. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Fine. Hello.
Sir, can you explain brief about your company?
We are manufacturers of rice mill machineries and equipment for cleaning and grading and sorting, polishing, everything. We are established in 2004. We are 18 years old company.
Sir, what is your product line?
We are manufacturers of complete rice mill machinery, complete line of rice mill machinery, and we basically supply pan India we have, and we also have exports to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Myanmar. We export to these countries also, yes.
From starting price, we can know from starting price. What is the starting price?
We have like
Depends on capacities.
yes. If we take a 2-ton rice mill, it will be around 26 lakhs to 28 lakhs like that. We will supply up to 8-ton machinery. It will be around 1.5 crore.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.